Hey, reptile enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of the largest snake on the planet, the reticulated python. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover amazing facts about the biggest snake in the world. If you're fascinated by these incredible reptiles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our fantastic animal explorations. Let's dive into the mesmerizing world of the reticulated python. First things first, let's get to know the star of the show, the reticulated python. These massive snakes are native to Southeast Asia, where they inhabit a variety of environments, from rainforests to grasslands. The name reticulated refers to the intricate pattern on their scales. Now, what sets the reticulated python apart is its colossal size. These snakes are renowned for being the longest snake species globally, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 20 feet. The record holder, in fact, measured a mind-boggling 25 feet and 2 inches. How does a snake get so long? Well, the reticulated python has an incredible ability to stretch its body. Unlike mammals, snakes don't have a rigid ribcage, allowing them to expand and contract as they swallow large prey whole. This stretchiness contributes to their jaw-dropping length. Reticulated pythons are formidable predators. They are ambush hunters, patiently waiting for prey to come within striking distance. Once a target is in reach, they strike quickly, using their sharp teeth to grab onto the prey. The powerful constrictor then wraps its body around the prey, squeezing tightly to subdue it. These giant snakes have a diverse diet, ranging from small mammals and birds to larger prey like deer and wild pigs. They are opportunistic feeders, and their ability to consume prey much larger than their head sets them apart in the reptile world. Despite their impressive size and terrestrial lifestyle, reticulated pythons are excellent swimmers. They can move through water with ease, using a side-to-side motion similar to their slithering movement on land. This adaptability makes them well-suited to their varied habitats. Reticulated pythons have a unique reproductive strategy. Females lay clutches of eggs, which they incubate by coiling around them. Unlike some snake species, reticulated pythons don't guard the eggs actively, but rely on the protection provided by their size and the environment. The intricate pattern on the reticulated python's scales serves a purpose beyond aesthetics. Known as cryptic coloration, this pattern helps them blend into their surroundings, making them effective ambush predators. The colors and patterns vary, providing camouflage in different environments. Unfortunately, the reticulated python faces threats due to human-wildlife conflict. Encroachment on their habitats, along with the pet trade, has led to a decline in some populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these impressive snakes and maintain the balance of their ecosystems. In conclusion, the reticulated python is a creature that evokes both fascination and respect. Their incredible size, adaptability, and unique features make them a marvel of the natural world. As we continue to explore and appreciate these reptiles, let's also emphasize the importance of conservation to ensure their survival for generations to come. There you have it, amazing facts about the biggest snake in the world, the reticulated python. If you found these facts as captivating as I did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic animal adventures. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next episode.